Another video here. Just want to let you guys know that I got new seats for the car. They came from a GTS. Pretty old. So the guy, he had a GTS that was rear-ended and he's parting it out. So I just asked the guy, hey man, how much for the seats? And well, yeah, like I said, 86 parts are pretty expensive. I pay like $700. Pretty expensive. But yeah, man, that GTS, they're in really, I say bad condition, but not really. They're just, 40-year-old fucking seats. So when the guy got in a car crash, or he got rear-ended, I'm guessing this shit got damaged, but they're saying I'm just gonna leave it like that. They said get it like a heat gun, and like you could like fix his bent part, and I'll be fine. I just want to complete the car's interior. You got these old rear seats. Yeah. So I'm gonna do in this video, just install them in, and then another update to what I did the other day, or not, I was here like 2 weeks ago, was I finally installed the rear window trim. Yep. But right now it's barely sticking on. I gotta go get the clips. I don't know what is the other thing called, but yeah, they're just the clips that hold these. Right now I just have it staying on there. Yeah. I already took out the old driver's seat, the old BRZ seat. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's see how this shit goes. I wonder if this we finally got it out. Now to put this fucking thing back in. Oh, I got the seats in. I mean the backrest or whatever you call it. I couldn't get the freaking line up the plate. So I'm just gonna pull this down. I think it works fine, to be honest. I just there's a little clip right here that holds the other part, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, to be honest. Cause damn, dude, that shit does not want to line up. I think when you got rear-ended, most of the back of the car was damaged. Like I said, even the front seats got damaged. But I have that one still there, but I don't want to freaking use it. All right, now I'm gonna put in the rest of the bottom seat. I did it. Fucking got the seats back in. Now we gotta do the fucking passenger and then the driver's side. Alright. Let's get to it. hard recording while doing this stuff, because I don't know, I try to make a good video, but fuck, it's hard to get the, you know, angles right. So I'm just gonna install the seats and I'll be right back, and then I'll just give you the overview of it. All right guys, just finished. This is the fucking interior. Honestly, it looks really good. But one thing I don't like is, I don't know if it's both seats too. They don't stay locked in. They just go they want to stay locked whenever it's on here all the way to the back. But I don't know how to fix that. So it's like this. So I don't like it because, let's say I'm driving, I lean back a little and this shit goes all the way back. I don't know. I know that's not how they are. I don't know what this does. Nope, it does. It's different. But who knows? But yeah, now I'm gonna do a little edit of my interior. See how it looks. Yeah. Okay, just to close out this video, the seats are cool. I just gotta, you know, fix this adjustment on this thing. Look at me going all the way back. Whoa. Yeah. Who knows? Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully we can get this car. I know I keep saying that, but I've been busy. But I just ordered another distributor because the one I have now, it's I don't think it's for the 4AC because it's just different. So I'm gonna have to take that one off and try it. Maybe it'll do something. I don't know. Trial and error. That's all it is. But yeah. Got carpet, seats, rear seats. Like, this looks like a regular car. Like, yeah, man. I'm getting it done little by little. This car was like gutted, nothing in it, and then yeah, I'm making it look decent. So yeah, it's hot right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll post another video soon.